What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. One thing you might not know about me is that I am pretty obsessive about new products, new apps, new software. I love it. Being an engineer myself that works on things and build things and, somewhat of a budding designer, although the jury's still out on that. I just like seeing new things launch and what people are working on and the cool things coming to market. One of my favorite tools, Product Hunt, is a place where people can actually post new products, new updates to existing products. It's kind of like my daily ritual, just logging on Product Hunt and seeing what's new and what people are talking about and giving those things a try. So today I decided that I was just gonna film myself doing what I normally do, going through Product Hunt and looking at some of the top products of the day and trying them out and giving my opinion on them. Make sure you watch the video all the way to the end because I'm gonna be talking about what's coming soon on Product Hunt, different things that haven't launched yet, maybe they're in beta, and just giving a little preview on that, and maybe we'll discuss them in the next one. Okay, so here I am on Product Hunt, and off the bat, I have this list of 5 things. Product Hunt said this is my next favorite thing. I don't know, we'll see. Let's check it out. So this first one here is called IA Presenter. I guess it's a play on AI, just trying to be cool, I guess. I don't know. Let's check it out. 571 upvotes. That's nothing to sneeze at. Let's see what they're talking about. Okay, IA Presenter's text-based interface puts the story at the center of your presentation. Okay, so it sounds like this is going to be some AI slide deck tool. So if you ever had to make slides in like Google Slides or whatever Microsoft version of slides is, I haven't used it in forever, sorry. Yeah, a bunch of people talking about it. Sounds cool. Let's visit it. Let's see. Let's give it a try. So off the rip, the website looks pretty cool. I love the high contrast. I love the colors. I love the font here. It all just seems very geared towards someone who does a lot of writing. So I like that. Seems pretty cool. Okay, let's give it a try. It's in beta. Okay, so normally when a product's in beta on Product Hunt, it has to be listed in the coming soon section. So yeah, I don't know how this one got here. The next one is Tilefy. Tilefy? I don't know. It's something like that. I'm sure they had to get creative with that domain probably being taken. But let's see. Create seamless patterns in seconds. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is, oh, you know what? This is really cool. The other day I was working on a site and I needed to add some background image to like the hero section of the website. And I was like, ooh, I really want like some really cool but simple pattern for the background. Nothing too crazy. I still want people to read the text on the site. I don't want it to be too distracting. Not get into 3D, just something simple, something pattern like that. And I'm not a real designer, so I really didn't have the skills and whatnot to actually make one. So a tool like this could be helpful. So let's check it out. Okay, so we got a layers panel here. Okay, let's add an emoji. Let's add the salute, and we'll add the vomit face, and let's get rid of the elf character. What else we got here? We got some of these things. Okay, I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, I understand it. And okay, we can change the color here. Let's put a white background there. Okay, that very intuitive, I guess. I mean, it is very simple. Play with the scale, change the width and the height of the tiles. Okay, and yeah, I mean, this is pretty simple. So, I mean, yeah, you're not gonna get like some high fidelity background pattern that you could get from paying a designer or an illustrator to do something. But I think in today's design trends, specifically for like the web and stuff, like having something simple and clean is kind of the vibe right now. So like this tool is like perfect for creating something like that. It's like right on the border of being just a little too simple, too gimmicky, but just enough, right? So I'm just gonna click download here, and here we go. Look, Luca, it's the guy that made it. Thanks for using Tilefy. You can request features and report bugs in Tilefy subreddit. So yeah, it's just this guy working on this, and that's what's so cool, right? Like anybody and everyone's just out here making things, and Product Hunt allows them to post about it and get support. What we got for the next one? Number 3, GetViral. Never run out of ideas for Twitter content. Oh yeah, this is definitely something I could use if it's legit. So a free tool that helps you get inspired for content ideas and gives you a chance to post some viral tweets. Okay, that's actually really cool because I'm telling you, I get stuck all the time when I'm thinking about tweeting stuff. I used to tweet all the time in the early days, but now I'm just like, I don't really know what to say because I don't really want to be tweeting my personal life on Twitter all the time because I'm somewhat private, you know, coming from a person talking to a camera right now on YouTube. Okay, sign in with Twitter. I will do that. Authorize the app. Okay, right off the bat, it looks like we are on the questions category. So all these are questions that I could tweet out. And let's read one. Would you rather have a maid or a chef? I've never asked questions like that on my Twitter, so I'm guessing this tool isn't like reading my Twitter and, you know, some machine learning sentiment analysis to figure out the tone of how I talk and things like that. So it's more likely like a bank of like random questions in this case that everyone sees, and it's not particular. So it's very low tech, but that doesn't mean it's not useful, right? So let's see quotes. Strong people have a strong sense of self-worth and self-awareness. They don't need the approval of others. Yeah, this is definitely not my type of vibe of like posting quotes and things like that. Oh, coding. Hello. CSS is super fun. I don't think anyone's ever said that, so I don't know. Yeah, I feel like this would be like the material of like, you know, someone who is new to Twitter, new to being an engineer, and they're trying to make a name for themselves. They would probably use like these type of tweets to put out there. Not a lot of depth to them, but you know, everyone can relate, you know, type of vibes. I might just check this here and there just to get inspired and stuff like that. What's the next one here? Plaid identity verification. Okay, so I already know that this one is not going to be a product. You can see when I clicked on it. That's because Plaid is a super big, well-known company that's doing all types of stuff. If you've ever like used a financial app and you had to log in with your bank, that mechanism in which you logged in was probably Plaid. So I'm guessing they're just announcing a new feature, maybe a new region in which their service is. I'm not sure. So really nothing to see here. This is not a product that I would be using. Plaid is definitely for businesses. So, but you know, good for you, Plaid. The next one is Planzer. Stop losing track of your task and plan your day. Okay, this is really cool because I'm legit so busy all the time. I feel like I need 27 hours in a day, and that's not including the sleep I need. So many high functioning people suggesting me, get a to-do app, plan out your task, do this stuff. And I'm like, okay, you know, like I'll try it. And I end up never really sticking with it. Maybe Planzer is gonna fix it. I don't know, let's check it out. Okay, we got a pretty generic landing page here that doesn't look bad. Generic isn't always bad. It's probably like a template or something, but you know, it looked good. So cool. What's so special about this one though? So it says like this one, a task planning app that allows you to plan all your tasks from multiple tools directly in your calendar. Okay, so you can pull in different apps like Notion or Monday or Trello and put them on a calendar. Okay, here we are. We're in the Planzer app, and the thing that stands out the most right now is that I just hate how it looks. I do not like this design. I do not like this layout. The screenshot showed a light design. I'm guessing because I have a dark theme preference on my computer, it's showing me the dark mode, but it's not a good looking dark mode. I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm not gonna be so picky with these note-taking apps. I'm going to give it a try. I want to be a high-functioning human, and maybe this will fix it. So let's see if we can figure it out. I don't know. What's this? Plan your day. So we can add a backlog task. Let's add a task here. Finish this video. Okay, and post. Does that post it? Oh, that's posting the comment. How do I post this? Is it a subtask? No, it's not a subtask. I am not sure how to actually like add this task. Is it? I don't know. Yeah, this is definitely not going to be the app for me. I personally don't like using apps where I don't understand it, but you know, they're new. I'm sure they'll figure it out. I mean, how many upvotes did they have? They have 70 upvotes. That's nothing to sneeze at. So that's Planzer. And I think that was all 5. So yeah, that's what's on Product Hunt this week. You never really know what you're gonna get. You know, it's always a surprise. Yeah, how about we take a look at what's coming soon? If I click here and go to upcoming products, Let's see what we got. Ooh, Sigma OS, a browser designed for your workflow. Now look, I'm on a browser pretty much all the time when I'm on my computer. I live in a browser. I've tried every browser. I've used every browser. I'm kind of tired of all the browsers doing and acting and behaving the same way. There's such a monopoly on browsers. So whenever someone's talking about a new browser, like I'm like, browser. You say browser? I want to see. So like, I'm excited for that. I'm not going to click on it because I just want to be surprised when they launch, because they haven't launched. This is coming soon, so they're not there yet. Oh, another browser thing. Schema, declutter your mind and your browser. Wow, it sounds so zen. I wonder what that is. 4,000 plus people following it. Okay. Oh, here we go. Lift OS, manage the employee journey in one software with ease. Yeah, I mean, with the way the market is going now, with people hiring, but also laying off, like employee retention is huge. So any software that's going to help people, help managers, help HR folks onboard and, you know, keep track of the employees as they get hired and all the way through promotion and whatnot is probably going to be useful. So very curious about what that's going to look like. If there was something else really cool on Product Hunt that you might have saw that you want me to check out, let me know. Send me a link and I'll check it out. Also, if you like this video and want to see more of it, please let me know. Leave a comment in the description because I plan on doing one of these every single week. And you know, I can go more depth on the different products, or I can kind of keep it casual like it is now. It's kind of up to you guys. Just let me know. But yeah, if you liked it and you want to see more of it, please subscribe. Check that bell for notifications when I upload the next one, so you don't miss what I'm talking about here on Product Hunt. But that's it for this one. So I'll check you out on the next one. Peace.